Hello and welcome to the video on how to use the Email Designer. This is the primary editing tool that you can use to create an email template. It's easy to use and it allows quick addition and removal of sections, setting different colors for different areas, deciding on your campaign's font and width, testing and much more, all from a single window. You will need to create a campaign. For more details on how to start the creation process, please see our video on how to create a campaign. In order to proceed with this video, we'll create a new campaign. We'll start from scratch and we'll select a blank canvas. So let's see how to properly use this tool. Here are some of the features to get started and utilize it to its full potential. There are the settings. This part is to set the tone for the entire campaign. There are a lot of options for you to consider. There's the content area width. We recommend not going beyond 600 pixels. There's the content area alignment. You can set it either to the left or center. There's the background color and the content area background color. This can be used to change the color shown and displayed on your backgrounds. There's the default font. You have a lot of options available here. You can use this to choose the one that better suits your branding. And finally, there's the link color. There's also the background image option that you can use to toggle it, and this can be used to place an image in the background of your email. So now we can go to the next tab. Before adding any content to your campaign, you need to choose a row. The rows section consists of a variety of component structures, so choose the one you want and drag it anywhere in the campaign. You can test them to find the one that works best for your template. You can move, you can duplicate, and you can delete each of the rows. To reposition, remove, or duplicate, first select the row you need. This will give you access to its repositioning menu. To move a section up or down within the template, in the positioning menu, click on the crossed arrows found on the left to move your selected row. To remove a section, in the same positioning menu, click on the trash icon on the right to delete the row. To duplicate the row, in the positioning menu, click the double window button on the right next to the trash icon. Having decided what type of rows you want, you can now choose what content to include in those rows. The following options there's the title. You can use this to insert the title of your campaign. The paragraph can be used to insert a paragraph of text. The list can be used to insert a list of different items. The image can be used to upload your own image from your computer or use a stock image found within the library. The button can be used to insert a call to action visible button. The divider can be used to divide your content with a line. The spacer can be used to add a block of space in your email content. The social media icons can be used to basically insert the links to your social media channels. You can choose from a variety of icons. The HTML lets you insert your custom HTML code within the editor. The video lets you insert a thumbnail showing a preview of your video and linking to it. You can use either YouTube or Vimeo. The menu option lets you include an interactive menu within your email content. On mobile, it will become a pop-up menu that you can scroll down. On desktop, it will be a series of items that can be displayed either on a vertical form or in a horizontal form. The GIFs let you include an animated GIF in your email, and you can choose from a variety of options. You've created your campaign. You can either select the mobile version of the campaign to see how it looks or the desktop version. You can use this to optimize the display within those versions by hiding either on mobile or on desktop. This can be used to create both a mobile and a desktop version of the same campaign. Now you can go ahead and save the campaign. That way you can make sure you never lose your progress. And if you want to go back to a previous version of this campaign, you can click on the bottom left. There's the arrow pointing backwards, which can be used to go to a previous action. Or you can also click on this icon right here to find the different versions and different changes that were made within this session. However, once you've closed the session, this will no longer be an option. Now we can go ahead and click on continue, and this will take us to the last step of the campaign creation. As you can see here, we'll get a preview of your email. You can toggle between desktop or mobile. If you're happy with this, we always recommend to send yourself a test. Make sure everything is all right. You can send this email test to yourself or share it with your coworkers, up to 5 people. Always use commas to add up 5 email addresses. You can name your campaign in the campaign details. You can choose the contact list, and if you have segments within that list, you can also choose it here. You can change the sender's name. You can also choose your sender email address if you have more than one. And lastly, you can choose the subject line. We have a few recommendations for you. Once you have your subject line, you can now schedule your campaign for a specific time in the future, or you can send it as soon as possible. Here are some other recommendations we have for you. I recommend taking a look at them to boost your campaign performance, and this way you can continue to test your email campaigns and make sure you optimize your deliverability and make sure to follow the best practices.